Can you use Cash App on Amazon? The answer is no. Amazon does not directly accept Cash App as a payment method at checkout. Unlike some apps like Venmo, which has partial integration, Cash App's peer-to-peer wallet can't be linked straight to your Amazon account. However, there's a straightforward workaround. Use the Cash App card, a free, customizable Visa debit card tied to your Cash App balance. Since Amazon accepts Visa debit cards, you can add it to your wallet and spend your Cash App funds just like any other debit card. This method works for most Amazon purchases, but note these limitations. You can only spend up to your Cash App balance, no overdraft unless you have a linked bank account. It won't work for Amazon Prime memberships, gift cards, or certain subscriptions directly via Cash App. Amazon may authorize charges hours or days later, so add funds early to avoid declines. Here is the step-by-step guide to add and use your Cash App card on Amazon. Step 1. Get your Cash App card. Open the Cash App on your phone. Tap the Cash Card icon at the bottom. It looks like a card. If you don't have a card, request one for free. You'll get a virtual card number instantly. The physical card arrives in 7 to 10 days. You'll also see the expiration date and security code. Step 2. Add the card to Amazon. Log in to Amazon.com or the Amazon app. Go to your account. On the website, it's at the top right. In the app, it's in the bottom menu. Select your payments. Choose Add a Payment Method. Pick Add a credit or debit card. Enter your Cash App card details. Type the 16-digit card number, the expiration date as month and year, your name, and your billing address. Click Add your card. Amazon may test the card with a small charge. It will be refunded. Step 3. Make a purchase. Add items to your Amazon cart. Go to Checkout. Under Payment Method, select your Cash App card. You can set it as default in your payments if you want. Enter any promo codes. Review your order. Click Place your order. The charge will come from your Cash App balance. Check the Cash App for confirmation. If you're hitting issues like card declined, double-check your balance or contact Cash App support. For the latest, check Amazon's help page on payment methods. Happy shopping!